Now this is a path to Maple Leaf Square and going into the Longos. Now that's the pedestrian bridge. We're gonna get there in a second. I just want to go here to give you guys a look. Oh, they're setting up, I guess, for the Leafs playoffs or something. Yeah. So that's one of the gates to get into Scotiabank Arena. Maybe I should capture the moment. Go, Leafs, go! I hope they're open. Yeah, escalators are moving over there, so they are open. Go ahead for them. Pick up one of these. I'd like to find some recipes in that. Let's go over here. I need to pick up soy milk. That's pretty much what oh, there's a little funky smell going on in here. Phew. Like rotten eggs. So yeah, I just need to pick up milk. Soy milk. I'm getting tired of chicken legs. Sale. Wow. Chicken thighs, 25 bucks. Holy. Alright. Sirloin steak. I might hold off on the meat. I think what else I need? Maybe some really, I just came out for to get the milk. So milk. What's in there? I still have sausages at home. I'm good. Oh, maybe some chips. Snacks. Let's go. Their tiramisu is not bad and is a good price. But, there it is there. Yeah, let's get a tiramisu. $6.99 for this piece. Okay. When they mark down their lemon meringue, it's they usually get, but they're $3.99. That's not bad anyway for a quarter. Where's the chips? family pack. They're dangerous, man. The ketchup chips. Takes me about 3 days. And where's the price on this one? They never price these things properly. Salsa, nacho chips, but where's the ketchup chip? Well, the Lay's are $6.49 up there, so yeah. All right, let's get that. Oh, oranges. Yeah, I finished up my orange juice. All right, let's do that. Perfecto. I stocked up on candy. Well, I don't stock up too much, but I'm good with my candy. What's here? Yeah. I had an idea. Maybe I'll do a mix. The navel and carrot. Where are the carrot? Okay. $1.99 for navel oranges. There's the blood orange. Okay. Oh, I need lemons too. Okay. Three for $2. That's good, I guess. I'll get 6 of them. I messed up their display here. That's fine. One more. Yeah, so there's 6. Look so good. I do say, one did roll away. Let's look at the carrot. The navel ones don't look so good. Carrot are $2.99. Okay. They don't look so good. Maybe not sure if I'm gonna get in here. Farm Boy, I might go back to Farm Boy. Yeah. I don't know, maybe. Hold off. Okay, found one that I like. Let's see. 2. 3. So what was it? One gives me a half a cup of orange juice. So that's 1 cup right there. So maybe. Oh, I'll just get 4. I'll just get 4. I'll have 2 cups. Or, well, 5 gave me 2 cups, I think. Okay, I'll just get 5 like I did last time. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Picked up the weed. Mandarins. You can do juice out of mandarins, but I don't know. You need a lot of it. So, anyway, I think that's it for my shopping here. Alright, that's it for this Longo shopping again here.